everyone, happy Friday. I'm so excited to share today's video with you guys. And as you guys know, I am part of the Planner Society. And when I say I'm part of it, I mean I buy their subscriptions, and their subscriptions come every other month, and they are so well worth it. I absolutely love them. They're super cute and girly, and there's always a tons of florals and or bows or girls or planner girls, and that's just kind of my jam, so I really like it. And every other month I get the box, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. So today we are going to be doing the full unboxing, and we're going to see what's inside. I got it a few days ago, and I've just been ready and pumped because I know you guys like to see what comes inside my boxes as well. If you guys don't follow Christy on Instagram, go ahead and do so. Go ahead and start opening up the box. I'm just going to go ahead and start here. To be honest, I don't know what month this is because I lost the track. But if anything, I'll leave it in the corner somewhere for you guys. Or you can always check out Instagram. She always puts sneak peeks and all of that fun stuff. So just to open it up, here it is. Oh my goodness. I always love to see the bag and what it looks like. I think just by looking at it, it gets me super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and put the box to the side. And here we go. So I get two kits. I get the sticker box kit and I get the larger kit. Here we are. I'm just going to go ahead and open this one up while we're at it. And just see what we have in here. The bag is super cute. It says the Planner Society, so I always like to save the bags because you know you can cut them up and use them for all kinds of fun stuff. And then you get the full sticker box kit. And eventually I'm gonna go back to, you know, TNs and all of that stuff, but for now I just haven't really found a need to use them. But wow, I feel like there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so you got the checklist boxes, which is right here. Isn't that really cute? So it has like a lot of gold foil, a lot of those beautiful soft earth tone colors, like the soft pink plushes, the browns, the gold, beautiful. And then here you have the quarter boxes with the half boxes and the beautiful washi tape with the gold foil. And then here we have the Planner Girls, who she made in different color skin tones, which is great. You know, got to represent every single color skin tone, which is amazing. And then here we have, I think this is actually a new sheet because she's always done only one sheet. So here we have another one right here with all the deco boxes, full boxes. And then here we have this one right here. Isn't that pretty? So you get like your little, you do get day covers as well. You get your Monday through Sunday, then you get headers like to do, today, and then you get like little bow headers and little trackers. So this is a super cute kit. I love it. It's beautiful. I still have my other box. I haven't done anything with it yet. I'm like so behind because I've been so busy with work. It's really sad, and then on top of it, my planner area is a disaster. It's really sad. All right, look at how gorgeous this bag is. I love it. I always like to save it. It's a beautiful bag. I try not to rip it up in any way. Here we have this. We'll just spread it out a little bit so you guys can see how pretty it is. All right. Oh my goodness. Wow, there's some extra goodies. Okay, we're gonna do those last because oh my goodness, they're so cute. All right, the first thing we're gonna start with is the pen right here. The pen is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that beautiful gem, and then it has like the rose gold with the florals. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Love that. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and do the washi tape. So this is the washi tape right here, which is the same print as the bag. It's a beautiful print. Love that. Here we have the paper clip. Might as well open it up. I always like to save the backing. So here we have the paper clip. Look at how pretty it is. And it is like one of those like patches. So it's really nice. And then that's what the back looks like. So it's clean looking. It has the little white paper clip, which I love. So there we have that. And then, oh my goodness, we have the flowers. I have not received this in a long time. I love it using these for decorating. They're like little floral embellishments. They have little gold gems right here that you can use as well to put in the middle. So you get them in a brown color, in a tan color, and a pink color. Those are so pretty. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging just because they're individuals and I don't want to lose them. Alright, so next we have the little notepads and sticky notes. I gotta say, one of my favorite things to look forward to, aside from the die cuts, are the list pads, notepads, and sticky notes, because she has the cutest little notepads ever. So look at how adorable these are. These are so cute. Absolutely love how they're wrapped in this super cute ribbon, which, by the way, you can use, so don't throw it out. Make sure you use everything in your kit. Even the little plastic bags, that sometimes they're good to reuse for like Happy Mail or mail that you're sending out to your friends. So don't throw those out either. If they're good and you haven't ripped them, go ahead and reuse them. Here we have the Make It Happen Daily Checklist. Super cute. I love this one. Absolutely gorgeous. It has a focus box on the top, and then you have another list at the bottom. And you get a lot of sheets, which is amazing. Super cute. Then we have our little sticky notes right here, which is like that rainbow in the brown and pink and like tan color. Absolutely beautiful. All right, then we have our word toppers, which I love, and I know a lot of you guys love as well. Here we have the backing for this one. So for the word toppers, we have the gold set, which she always does one solid color, and then she always does the printed pattern. So here we have the gold. So you got the monthly with the scalloped, you got the today, the week, the notes, and then the list. Beautiful. And then we have, I'm going to go ahead and put this up here just so that I remember where it went. Then we have the printed ones. So we got month. Then we have today. That one's so pretty. We got the week. We got the notes. And then we got the list. This one's gorgeous. It has like the little brown dots. So pretty. Alright, and then next we have the little planner stickers, which always come in this little like tiny bag. Again, save your bag. Don't toss it out. You can make little pockets or page markers or something fun out of it. So here we go. Alright. Alright, so here we have, look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Again, you got your planner babes there. Then you have another sheet with all the deco stickers. Then we got our word phrases. And then we have, I love this. I love the brown polka dots. And then we have this one right here. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful. Absolutely love it. All right. So next we have this one right here. All right, we have our, I always forget what these are called, divider tabs, right? So these are the sticker ones. Basically, you just peel it off, fold it in half, and use it as a tab for your dividers. And then here you have the labels. So they are in like a gold. Super pretty. You get days, budget, holidays. That's the backing. I always use that. And then just look at how pretty this is. Oh, I love this. This is a gorgeous kit. And then we have, oh my gosh, we got a lot of extra goodies here. All right, and then we have our bow tabs. So these are the same thing. They work like this. These are just like paper sticker tabs, but these are like bow tabs. So they're in shape of a bow. You just peel them off, fold them in half, and then use them as dividers or little toppers. But look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with the pattern. I don't think she's ever done prints on this. It's always been like a solid color, and I love it. I love that it has a pattern on it. So you have the pink ones with the florals, and then you have the like ivory off-white ones with the like brown polka dots. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, then we have our, oh, we got 2 of these. That's awesome. So then we have these are our scalloped edgers. So basically you could use these at the edge of your paper to give your paper a little cute edge. And again, you get the same ones, the pink with the ivory off-white, I think is what it is. It looks white to me. And then you get them both imprinted. And this is the thin one because she sent a thick one as well. Something she's never done. Super gorgeous. All right, and then the next one is the same one, but it's thicker. So look at how cute that is. Again, these are thicker and wider, but they're beautiful. Same colors, same prints, same patterns. Just gorgeous. All right, and then next we have our die cuts and our cards. So here we have this little set right here. So here's the card. I love this backing, gorgeous. And then we have these cards that can be used as decorative pieces. They just say TPS Girl, Planner Girl, and Planner Society Girl. So there's 3 of them. They feel really thick though, but super nice. I love those. And then you have all your Planner Girls. Look at how gorgeous these are. This one reminds me of Beyonce when she does the formation look. So cute. I love these. So you got the ones that are just standing. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, I love these. I love anything when they come with like girls like these. Ugh, I love it. All right, and then we have our die cuts. I'm like, ugh, I need to get back into my crafting mojo. Okay, so then we have the backing for the die cuts. Here we have it. Look at how pretty that is. And then we have some cards. This one says Grow Gratitude, Blossom, Embracing Flaws While Being Awesome. I love that. Come As You Are, Seek Happiness, and Wild Soul. Beautiful. I love that. And then here's the die cut. So you got all of the, like, your little home decor. This is like her staple piece for this kit. You got the florals, you got the moon and the stars. Got some more florals, some vases, hanging wall decor, tabletop decor. Look at how cute. Oh, everything's falling. But here we go. The little coat rack. Isn't that pretty? I love these. So cute. I'm glad that she like sent them and didn't substitute them for anything else, because sometimes she likes to substitute for like for example, if she doesn't send her paper clip, she'll send a charm or something. So I'm glad these she never substitutes, because they're my favorite to work with. All right, and then we have the paper. I'm gonna show you the paper, and then I'm saving the best for last. I'm like looking at it and oh my goodness, I am super shocked because I did not know that it was coming. All right, so here we have our paper. I always look forward to seeing the paper. One of my favorite things, it's always double-sided. So here we have this print. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. So you get 2 sets. And then here we have this one, which is my favorite print. Then we have the florals. So again, double. Then we have the vellum. And then we have another vellum. We have a clear acetate. Gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Look at all that gold. I love it. And then here we, ooh, this one's gorgeous, and it's gold too. And then we have our lace border sheet, which is in gold. I love it. Oh, this one's gorgeous. It has like a bunch of different colors. Almost looks like the Grand Canyon or something. And then we have this one right here. And then we get 2 sheets. Super pretty. I love that. Alright, so then next you get a scrunchie. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. It is like a pink scrunchie. It's like velvety, and it has the print of this paper right here. Isn't that gorgeous? And then that's not it. She sent this beautiful keychain. It's like you can put it on your planner or on your keys or hang it on your handbag. And I'm just about to tear this up because it's not opening. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. It has the tassel at the bottom. And it's a rainbow, you guys. It's a rainbow in a brown, pink, and tan. And it has a gold a clippy thing. And you can, again, hang it on your handbag, your planner, wherever you choose. That is so pretty. And then, saving the best for last. I was not expecting this. I'm obsessed. I can't believe it. She sent us a little bag. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I can't believe it. She actually sent us like a little bag. So once you open it up, it's like a blush pink. It's like a super, super soft pink. And I don't think this is like a pencil bag. I'm pretty sure this is just like a little handbag. Like you could carry it like this. It has the little handle. It's like a pleather. And it smells really nice. It's very roomy. Ooh, fireworks. It smells it's very roomy. Look at all that space. Like I could literally fit a whole bunch of stuff in here, like a wallet. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at, so my hand, that's my hand. You could see like half of my arm is in there. And then it has a little pocket in the front, a little baby pocket right there. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Thank you, Christy. You are the bomb.com. I love this. This is the cutest little bag. So just zip it up after you throw your stuff in there. Put your little charm on it, and bam. Put your little planner supplies in there. If you have a little micro planner, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to make one. Yes, and then keep it in here with a little matching washi wallet. And this would be a super cute little planner bag for on the go. Isn't that cute? I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all information for the Planner Society linked down below as always. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!